In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop multi-vendor marketplace Laravel e-commerce system. So this, as the name, example of this kind of script is MartFury. As the name implies, it is an e-commerce website. Let's look at how it's going to look like after developing it. It's going to look something like this. So you can use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, we go straight to my cPanel. Then from my cPanel to my file manager. So for my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I've already uploaded my script. Yes, I'm going to extract it. So extract. Then I click on extract files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channels. Then next I click on close. Here's the extracted file. I open it. I'm going to correctly select all, then move them to the root folder. Move files. So after moving them to the root folder, I copy my subdomain, open a new tab, paste it there, enter. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So next I click on let's go. Now I'm going to scroll down to see if all is in order. All are in order. So next I click on configure environment. So next, let me scroll down to fill this part. I'll go back to my cPanel again, to my database, to create my database. So I'll be able to fill this place. So let me go back to my cPanel, scroll down to my databases, manage my databases. Let me name my database as MartFury DB. Okay, then I click on create database. Database created successfully, so I click on go back. After creating my database successfully, I'm going to create my user. So let me scroll down. So create my user, then name it as MartFury DB user. And next I click on create user. User created successfully, so I click on go back. I've successfully created my user and my database. So I'm going to, next is for me to add my user to my database. Let me scroll down to add my user to my database. Add user to database. Yeah. I'll make sure I select the database I just created and the user I just created. So it's MartFury. Here is it, MartFury DB user. Here is MartFury DB. Then I click on add. Okay. Yes, going to give her privileges, scroll down to make changes. Now, after giving privileges, look at it successful to the user. I will copy my user name. Back to my site. Database name. This is what I use. Username. Here's it. Then next I click on your app. Let me leave it as your app. So next I click on install. So next I'm going to create account. Let me say first name is admin. Last name, let me say admin. Username, let me say admin. Email admin@example.com. Then I click on create. So next I click on go to admin dashboard. Installation finished. I've successfully installed my script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, I've successfully installed it. Here's my admin dashboard. Use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install a script. And if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.